Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to set up the TP Link RE365 Wi-Fi range extender in very easy steps. The TP Link RE365 is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender that helps boost your existing wireless signal to hard-to-reach areas. It plugs into any wall socket and also features a built-in power outlet. So watch this video till the end. I hope you like this video. Before starting the setup process, we will unbox the extender packet. The TP Link RE365 box includes the AC1200 range extender itself and a quick installation guide to get you up and running. That's really all you need to start boosting your Wi-Fi signal quickly. Now plug your RE365 extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait until the power LED turns solid blue, this means it's ready. On your phone, laptop, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's default SSID, usually named something like TP Link_Extender. Connect to this network. No password is needed for the first connection in most cases. Open any browser, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, type http://tplinkrepeater.net or use IP 192.168.0.254. If the above doesn't work, press enter. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to create a new admin password. This is different from your Wi-Fi password. Example, admin123. Avoid using just admin for better security. Click start or login after setting it. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz may show separately. Enter the password for each selected Wi-Fi network. Set extended Wi-Fi name, SSID. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your main router for seamless roaming, or customize it, e.g., home_Wi-Fi_xt. Click Next or Save. The RE365 will apply the settings and reboot. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. After reboot, unplug the extender and move it halfway between the router and the area with poor signal. Make sure the signal LED is solid blue for best performance. If it's red, move it closer to the router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.